Hello, students. I welcome you all. I am Sandeep Kaur, English Mistress from Government Middle School, Kishanpura, District, Amritsar. Dear students, today I am here to share an interesting topic of writing section for class 7th. Dear students, as you all know, planning comes before writing. We have to plan our ideas before writing, and planning includes mind task. So I will ask you some questions. Try to answer them. Yes. Are you ready? Okay. So my first question is, where do you go during your summer holidays? Yes, it's very easy. Where do you go during your summer holidays? Yes, you are right. To your relatives' house, dadke, nanke, to hill station or a beach, or maybe somewhere else. So, students, next question is, how do you go to hill station? So if you go to a hill station, how do you go there? Yes, you are right. By train, by bus, by car. Okay, students. So, dear students, today we will do a paragraph, a visit to a hill station. So, students, try to make some planning or collect some ideas, memories, if you ever visited any hill station, so that it becomes very easy for you to do a paragraph, a visit to a hill station. So students, make your mind think about any hill station, mountains, natural scenery, beautiful hills, snowfall. I think you got an idea. You got the scenes in front of your eyes. So first of all, I will do a model reading of a paragraph. Then you will try to write it in your own words. Before doing the model reading of a paragraph, I would like to share the importance of paragraph writing. So students, no doubt paragraph writing is an interesting topic. It is interesting. It is useful too. It is important too. So, it is important because it is a part of every exam. It is part of every exam. So, in exam, you have a question to write a paragraph. It improves writing skill. It improves your writing skill. You do a lot of practice and you get improvement. It enhances vocabulary. So, students, you learn many new words. And in this way, it enhances your vocabulary. It boosts confidence. So, you get self-confidence. It enhances creativity. So, you try to think on the topic, try to write something. So, it obviously increases, enhances your creativity. So students, paragraph exam ਵਿੱਚ ਆਉਂਦੇ ਨੇ, ਇਹਦੇ ਨਾਲ ਸਾਡੀ vocabulary, writing skill ਔਰ ਸਾਡੀ creativity ਬਹੁਤ ਜ਼ਿਆਦਾ improve ਹੁੰਦੀ ਹੈ. So let's start with the model reading of paragraph. You will understand the content of the paragraph easily if you know the meanings of some difficult words. So, first of all, listen carefully the difficult words and their meanings. If you want, you can note down them. Okay? Yes. Are you ready? So students, first word is decision. Decision, फैसला. Next is luggage. Luggage, saman. Next word is boarded. Boarded, सवार होना. Tunnels. Tunnels, सुरंगा. Scenery. Scenery, दृश्य. Charming. Charming, मनमोहक. Wonderful. Wonderful means शानदार. Immensely. Immensely, बहुत ज़्यादा. So students, these words are very useful. Keep them in your mind so that you can use them later on. So let's start with the paragraph, a visit to a hill station. Yes. Are you ready? May I start? Okay. A visit to a hill station. Our school was closed for summer vacation on 31st May. It was very hot in Amritsar. My parents decided to go to Shimla. We were very happy with this decision. We packed our luggage and got ready for the journey. We went to Chandigarh by bus. From Chandigarh, we boarded a train to Shimla. After Kalka, the train passed through many tunnels. It moved very slowly. Whatsoever, but when we reached there, we were wondered to see the natural scenery and mountains. At that time, snowfall was going on. We checked into a hotel and went out to play with snow. The view of Shimla was very charming. It was the first wonderful place I have ever visited. We also visited the temple of Jaku and Kufri hill station. We enjoyed our evening walks on Mall Road. We also bought many things and some presents for our relatives. Me and my family enjoyed this trip immensely. It will always be a memory to cherish. So students, I think you got an idea about Shimla. You got an idea that you have to start with the planning, the discussion, then how you went to Shimla through a bus or a train. Then one by one you have to mention all the activities, scenes and sights, and then you will conclude it by writing that you enjoyed a lot, and it's a very good memory to cherish. So students, ਤੁਸੀਂ ਦੇਖਿਆ ਕਿ ਅਸੀਂ ਇਸ ਪੈਰਾਗ੍ਰਾਫ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਇਸ ਦੀ ਸਟਾਰਟਿੰਗ ਜੋ ਹੈ ਉਹ ਬਿਗਨਿੰਗ ਜੋ ਹੈ ਉਹ ਅਸੀਂ ਕਿ ਪਲੈਨਿੰਗ ਕੀਤੀ ਗਈ, ਡਿਸਾਈਡ ਹੋਇਆ ਫੈਮਲੀ ਨਾਲ ਕਿਹੜੇ ਹਿਲ ਸਟੇਸ਼ਨ 'ਤੇ ਜਾਣਾ ਹੈ, ਉਸ ਦਾ ਨਾਮ, ਕਿਵੇਂ ਪਹੁੰਚੇ ਉਸ 'ਤੇ, ਬਾਏ ਬੱਸ, ਬਾਏ ਟ੍ਰੇਨ, ਇਹ ਸਭ ਦੱਸ ਕੇ ਫਿਰ ਅਸੀਂ ਵਨ ਬਾਏ ਵਨ ਉੱਥੇ ਦੇਖੀਆਂ ਹੋਈਆਂ ਸੀਨਸ, ਮਾਊਂਟੇਨਸ, ਹਿਲਸ ਜਾਂ ਜੋ ਵੀ ਹੋਰ ਇੰਜੋਇਮੈਂਟ ਕੀਤਾ ਅਸੀਂ ਉਹਨੂੰ ਵਨ ਬਾਏ ਵਨ ਲਿਖਾਂਗੇ, ਮੈਂਸ਼ਨ ਕਰਾਂਗੇ ਔਰ ਐਂਡ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਅਸੀਂ ਐਂਡਿੰਗ ਲਾਈਨਸ 'ਚ ਇਹ ਜ਼ਰੂਰ ਕਹਾਂਗੇ that I enjoyed a lot and it will be a good memory to cherish ਕਿ ਅੱਜ ਵੀ ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ ਉਹ ਯਾਦ ਹੈ, ਤੁਹਾਡੀ ਮੈਮਰੀ 'ਚ ਅੱਜ ਵੀ ਉਹ ਬਹੁਤ ਅੱਛਾ ਐਕਸਪੀਰੀਅੰਸ ਰਿਹਾ ਸੀ ਔਰ ਉਹ ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ ਅੱਜ ਵੀ ਯਾਦ ਹੈ. So students, it's very interesting and useful to do paragraph writing. You come to know about Shimla, its various scenes and sights, and now when you will try to write it in your own words, it will become easy for you. So, students, I want to tell you that whenever you will try to write a paragraph, first of all, do planning. Do planning in your mind. Planning in mind means think about it. सोचो कि मैं इस हिल स्टेशन बारे दसना है, मैं ਉਹਦੀ ਸਟਾਰਟਿੰਗ 'ਚ ਇਹ ਦੱਸਣਾ ਹੈ ਕਿ ਮੈਂ ਉੱਥੇ ਕਿਵੇਂ ਗਿਆ, ਵਨ ਬਾਏ ਵਨ ਮੈਂ ਉੱਥੇ ਕੀ ਇੰਜੋਏ ਕੀਤਾ. ਸੋ ਡੂ ਪਲਾਨ. You can do planning in a form of mind map, or you can write down 1 2 3 4 points which you want to mention as hints. ਇੱਕ hints ਦੇ ਤੌਰ 'ਤੇ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਪਲੈਨਿੰਗ ਕਰ ਸਕਦੇ ਹੋ, ਪੁਆਇੰਟਸ ਲਿਖ ਸਕਦੇ ਹੋ ਕਿ ਜਦੋਂ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਪੈਰਾਗ੍ਰਾਫ ਲਿਖੋ ਤਾਂ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਪੁਆਇੰਟਸ ਨੂੰ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਲੌਜੀਕਲੀ ਸੀਕੁਐਂਸ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਪ੍ਰੋਪਰ ਮੈਂਸ਼ਨ ਕਰ ਸਕੋ. So students, it's very useful and interesting technique to do paragraphs. Now students, I will ask you some questions based on the paragraph which we did so that you can also recapitulate it and it will become easy for you to write the paragraph. So students, my first question is, when did your school close for summer vacation? Yes, you all know this answer. You get your summer vacations on 31st May. So, answer is our school was closed for summer vacation on 31st May. Next question. What kind of weather was in Amritsar? Okay, you know the answer. It was very hot in Amritsar. So, my next question is, what did you pack for the journey? Yes, it's very easy. You know the answer. We packed our luggage for the journey. Luggage, saman. So we packed our luggage for the journey. Next question. How did you go to Chandigarh? Yes, you are right. We went to Chandigarh by bus. Okay, students. Next question is, how did you go to Shimla? Okay, you are right. From Chandigarh, we boarded a train to Shimla. And the next question, yes, how was the train moving? How was the train moving? Yes, you are right. The train was moving very slowly. Okay, students, are you enjoying? I hope that you are enjoying and you are feeling that you are having sights of Shimla in front of you. So, my next question is, what did you see when you reached there? So, what did you see when you reached Shimla? Yes, when we reached there, we were wandered to see the natural scenery and mountains. So you were wandered to see natural scenery, mountains and snowfall. Next question. Where did you check in after reaching Shimla? Yes, students, you are right. We checked into a hotel. Next question. What did you do after checking in? Yes, we went to play in the snow. So you enjoyed playing in the snow. Okay, students. Now, my next question is, which places did you visit in Shimla? I know you know the answer. ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ ਪਤਾ ਹੈ which places did you visit in Shimla? Okay, we visited the temple of Jaku and Kufri hill station. Okay, students, next question is, what did you enjoy in the evenings? Yes, you are right. We enjoyed our evening walks on Mall Road. So Mall Road is famous. We enjoyed our evening walks on Mall Road. Next question. For whom did you bought the presents. Okay, you are right. We bought many things and presents for our relatives. So, presents for relatives. So, students, it's very interesting to write a paragraph, a visit to hill station. As I asked you the above questions to make you go through the content of the paragraph. So, dear students, if you write down your answers correctly, you will notice that your paragraph is ready. So, all these 11-12 questions and their answers make you revise that how did you visited and how can you write a paragraph. All these questions, when, where, why and how did you visit, are important, and if you make your mind prepare to answer all these questions, then you can frame your paragraph very easily. Students, कित्थे गए, कदों गए, किवें गए, की कीता, make all these things in your mind, make proper planning so that you can frame your paragraph in a very easy and comfortable way. So keep in mind that regular practice is must. So you can practice it, write a few pages on a regular basis. If not few pages, you can write some sentences to have some practice to write. Always use dictionary. You can use dictionary to know the words and their meanings, and then it will become easy for you to write. Students, try to frame simple, grammatically correct answers. Try to frame simple, grammatically correct sentences so that you can make your writing perfect. Make small, simple sentences to write whatever you want to write on any topic. Students, paragraph writing is very important and useful, and it's very easy. As I discussed with you the technique that do planning, think before writing, do mind task. Prepare a mind map or hints 1, 2, 3, 4, whatever you want to include in your writing. After that, make introduction, beginning of your paragraph, then in the middle, all the activities one by one, and then in the end, the ending lines. So students, thank you so much.